Hello my friends, welcome to another video where we'll be using the ESP-32 with a servo motor on the IoT cloud. Okay my friends, now what we're going to do is we are going to connect the yellow wire to pin 4, the black wire to ground, and then the red wire to the 3.3 volt. Then as you can see over here on my phone, if I drag the slider, the motor will move. So you can control motor through your phone or through your laptop, very powerful. Okay my friends, let's go to the IoT cloud. Then we had a variable, we call it angle. But please my friends, don't make this mistake, lowercase please. Okay, well then what we're going to do my friends, we are going to say integer down here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say head variable, then select device. We want to select Moscow. Yes, that's my device. Then configure your network over there, your password, your keys and everything. Do not throw away secret key. Then go to sketch over here, then open full editor because we will need to install another library. Actually not install, but just include it. So my friends, now we're going to wait about 2 lifetimes for this thing to load up. Hopefully it just loads quickly, but okay, let's go over here. It always gets glitchy when I go over here. Go to libraries, then say library manager. Then I want you to search for ESP-32 or Servo or something like that. Just type in Servo and look for ESP-32 Servo. There's a specific one I want you guys to use. Use this one over here and then this one below, specifically for the ESP-32. Then you favorite it, click on done. Then my friends, then what we're going to do is we are going to go up here. We're just gonna select our board because it's not connected. Then after we've selected it, go up here, then search for Servo. Okay my friends, you can include this one, but it will not work. Go down. You need to scroll all the way down until you see this specific one, because I think it will not work because Arduino and ESP-32 has different ways of using pulsive modulation. So let's use this one over there, Servo ESP-32. Over here you can see it included it. I don't know if there's a difference, but this is just pure theory. Then over here my friends, what we're going to do is we are going to say servo and we are going to call it big servo because bigger is better. I'm just joking with you guys, let's just call it servo with a lowercase over there. Okay my friends, this is very important. Okay, put in an integer next up and then call it the servo pin. Now I am using a pin 4 on the ESP-32. All the pins on the ESP-32 supports pulsive modulation, that's very cool. On Arduino that will not be the case, so just make sure. Then my friends, go over here, then I want you to go and say servo.attach. This will say to where is the pin attached. It is attached to servo pin. Okay my friends, then what we're going to do is we are going to go all the way down over here into this loop. Then we are going to say servo.write and then angle. Now if you're calling your servo big servo, it's going to be big servo.write and then angle. Over here you can see in the cloud we have our integer for angle already set up. Now just let it verify and save, but this is not even really necessary, but just click on that and then let's go back to the IoT cloud. Again my friends, going back to the IoT cloud means wasting a lot of time because we have to wait until, you know my friends, I keep my videos short so I do not waste your time. Okay, over here you can see our things and our dashboards and everything. Let's go to sketch. Then you can see everything is uploaded because we're doing things in the cloud. Let's go to dashboards. Let's start building things. Okay, let's say build dashboard. Again, time wasting. Let's click over here. Let's rename this sucker. Let's call it servo. add. Let's add a slider because we want to slide with our fingers and change the angle. Let's call this thing just angle. Link the variable to angle. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, set up the maximum to 170 if you're using a SG90 because these motors cannot turn up to 180 degrees. They tend to go to 170, 172 max. Okay, click over there. Then, once you are finishing uploading your sketch over here, just upload it. It will say start verifying and then we'll do all sorts of writing and hard resetting like over here. And if you're done with that, my friends, you can go to dashboard or on your mobile phone. Then you can click on servo. And then you can just play around with the slider. Okay my friends, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.